Experiencing a key fob not detected error in your Jeep Compass, especially 2017-2023 models? This prevents keyless entry, remote start, and ignition. The primary causes are a dead or weak key fob battery, a malfunctioning radio frequency hub, or antenna issues. Start by replacing the key fob battery with a new CR232. Ensure it outputs 3 volts for optimal signal strength. If battery replacement doesn't solve the issue, proceed to the RFHUB reset. Stellantis has issued TSBs like 23-6 and 24 to address firmware and Uconnect issues that can cause key fob recognition problems. Keep your key fob away from metal objects to avoid electromagnetic interference. This interference can cause the RF hub to glitch or the antenna to get desensitized. If a new battery doesn't resolve the key fob issue, perform an RF hub reset. Start by disconnecting the vehicle's battery for 30 minutes, then reconnect it. Next, cycle the ignition by turning the key on and off 10 times to reboot the RF hub module. If the problem persists, try an antenna reset by pressing the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob while cycling the ignition. For deeper diagnostics, use an OBD2 scanner. Stellantis recommends professional diagnosis to avoid voiding warranties. Newer models from 2024 onward feature improved battery life and error diagnostics, reducing these issues. Always check for Stellantis recalls like ENSA campaign number 24V123 for free replacements and resets.